LAX lecturer. Okay. Good evening to our LAX lecturer, Mr. Wood, and this is Group 169 performing our group discussion, our fourth group discussion today. So my name is Vedan, and I'm the group leader, and my members will introduce themselves for attendance purposes.
Okay, good evening, Mr. Wu. I am Muhammad Zakari Nudin bin Muhammad Salan. I came from K15. I take uh, Animal Science and the Faculty of Agriculture.
Okay, my name is Khairul Ridwan bin Abdul Rahman and I'm from K15.
My name is Vedan, and I'm from K10.
My name is Aima binti Said and I'm from K17. My name is Noshima binti Desa. I'm from K11.
My name is Siti Binira Ashiki binti Azhar. I'm from K12.
Okay, so our fourth group discussion starts with a question whereby what has the group achieved so far? So far in our third meeting, we have actually discussed about the topic of the comic of our second comic which we want to draw, which is about bus. So today I'm going to ask my members about what situation we can draw for the comic. So I'll start with
Okay, for my suggestion for our next comic, I think this is for the bus scene, right?
bus scene,
Bus stop scene.
bus stop. Any situation at the bus stop.
Okay, as a student of UPM, I think during we wait for the bus, we have some times to do some revision for our study. Maybe this is can the other friend when read this comic, they will follow the comic to make a some revision during waiting for the bus.
Okay, so my suggestion is for the scenes at the bus stop is our the students are pushing each other during to entering the bus. Maybe it will come some injuries, maybe some accident can happen because we know they are very crowded when students want to go back to the college and pushing each other.
Well, the topic I suggest will be missing the bus because nowadays we actually can't pre-plan our time and surely there's something will happen. So we have high possibilities of missing the bus. So basically, that's one of the topic which will happen at bus stop every time.
So for my suggestion, the bus driver did not stop at the bus stop, maybe because the bus is already full and the student need to wait for another bus. What about you, Shima? Okay, I think while waiting the bus, we can introduce with other member in the college, and at the same time, maybe we are boring, right? So we can talk each other about their background.
Okay, for me, the scene at the station at the bus stop. Yeah, commonly, student in the UPM usually miss the station bus. Because as we know, in this UPM, there are a lot of station stop, station stop, bus stop. So um, when a student have to um, go to the other class at the other faculty, so they usually miss the station stop because they like to chit chat in the bus. So I think that scene is commonly happen in the bus stop.
Thank you. Since we have few suggestions from my members already, so I'm again going to open the floor to my members so that we can actually discuss on one single situation or comic we are going to draw about. So guys, what topic do you think can we draw for comic?
I think how about we combine the idea. Maybe during what we call during waiting the bus, the character readings or cheating or talking with his new friends or her new friends. Then the bus are crowded. then some accident happen and the bus just leave them like that. How about that?
Yeah, I think that's a good idea also because we're actually combining most of our group members' idea. So what do you guys
Yes,
think? What is your opinion?
I agree.
I think when we combine all the scene, the our comic become
Interesting.
more
More
interesting,
interesting.
but it's hard to do.
I think it's okay
It's not really
because
hard because it's common
it's
happen
only the stickman.
everywhere.
On
We
this
can
statement
draw the
drawing.
comic in many ways also. So what's the final topic is that so the situation we're drawing here will be about a student trying to go on top of the bus, but then there's a crowd, so he can't manage to get on the bus. So I think that's our situation here, whereby I repeat again, a student can't actually get on top of the bus because there's a major crowd, so actually misses the bus. So basically what my group members are going to do here again is we are actually going to draw the draft of comic right in this video itself. So each and every one of us will draw one panel each and we will finally show our draft of our comic. So I start with please draw and
Okay.
explain what I'm drawing.
Okay. I think the first situation, a student waiting for the bus. Okay, this is the bus stop, and this is the signboard. This is a student sitting on the
Check.
on the chair.
Oh shit.
Chair. Okay.
I'm
Okay, this is the road and the sun.
Why I have the sun?
This
Maybe
is
he
maybe
don't already
in the morning.
anytime is okay.
Sun. Okay. I think it's okay. Okay. Waiting for the bus. Okay, the question. Okay.
I don't have any. I don't have a idea. I think for the second part. Can you do it now? Maybe I should thinking about a little bit.
So I think the second part will
As
be
long as we draw all the six panels.
their friend playing around them or eating together while others are waiting for the bus at the bus stop.
So they are during. They are cheating.
Chit-chat.
Cheating. They are
Chatting.
While others are busy waiting at the bus
I
stop.
think it's not so fair, right? They are another student are waiting, but they just
Sit, relaxing.
relax and
With their friends. Okay. Now I think
I have it.
oh
So,
yeah,
Okay, everyone.
so how about the bus arrive and maybe the student are rushing to go to the bus and to enter the bus and maybe
Maybe
the
some competition
uncle
there.
or the driver are open the door if he want to stop at the bus stop
Yeah, my
where
story.
the bus stop or yeah I think the statement run. Okay, I think I finished it.
The picture I'm going to draw is where there are actually many students at a time trying to go onto the bus. Actually, they're pushing each other, so which provides actually competition going on top of the bus. As you know, the buses here actually comes half an hour once or 1 hour once, so there's no student willing to wait another half an hour since they've already waited for half an
I
hour.
think that there is some values, right? We must what we call we
Line up.
compete with each other to enter in the bus. So who the lost does not enter in the bus and get a lift. It's a good value, right?
Yeah, the others value. Maybe before enter the bus, we must to line up, queue, queue. Yeah. With that, we can avoid the accident. Very crowded.
Yes,
Okay.
shows more competition. Next, what are you going to do?
Okay, the part I'm going to draw is
where many students are fighting to enter the bus. Uh, there are many students, but the bus are fully
Crowded.
crowded. Crowded.
Crowded.
No, no,
Crowded.
crowded.
Alright.
But some people can enter the bus because they crowded, right? Then they need to go out and
Sit down
Wait
there
for
in the bus
another
stop.
night.
wait for the another bus. Okay.
Do you think the bus will explode with students?
I don't think so.
So,
Okay, I'm doing my part. Where
But
Ending ah.
the last part of this comic strip, where some of students cannot get into the bus because of there are too many students enter the bus until the bus so crowded and full of the and cannot enter anymore. So the some of the
same
students
student.
have to wait for the another bus because yes, the bus leave them.
I think that we should draw the same student, right?
Yeah. They're
So it
already
show that
waiting.
the people who are the earliest
actually gets
waiting the
much
bus does not get
Get
into the bus
Get into the
Ah,
bus.
because they are so crowded. Right?
yes. So seems like they very sad
ending.
because they cannot enter the bus even though they have waited for a long time and they have to wait another hour
To the
to
next bus.
to
To get the bus.
to get the bus. Yes, thank you.
So we have actually drew the graph of our comic strip here. So next we are going to move about the problems we actually each of us face for this next meeting. So I'm going to ask each of my group members briefly for the problems we face. Just tell us the problems
Okay, for me,
to the point.
the problem is still about the transport. Yeah, we are the first year student in the CPM. We must to get the bus and go to anywhere. Okay, for this meeting, tonight, this night,
We are lucky.
uh, I Ridwan and I is very lucky because when we want to borrow the motorcycle from the senior, that senior give to us and we can go this meeting easy.
Do you have any problem?
I think that I have the same problem with Zakri, and then I think that this week we are in the examination week, so our time is very compared to study, and like Valen he has a next test for tomorrow, so
Well,
I think that's all.
my problems is that mainly is mostly more towards technical problems whereby the videos are actually post suddenly can't get post or the video type is actually a bit problematic. So those are some technical problems which actually make the work I pass up delayed a bit.
For me, my problem is same as Belen, as the video is being recorded by my computer and the video cannot be sent to Belen. And that is one of our big problems. We cannot send the video on time. So,
Do you guys have any other problems?
Okay, the problem that I need to face is time for writing the bus. It's quite long, and sometimes I thought this problem may wasting my time, especially like our last meeting at weekend night. As usually, you know, the bus during weekend the bus will come every 1 hour. Uh, Coincidentally, at the night was rainy, so I will. So I'm
You
a
walk in the
little
rain.
bit scared while waiting the bus at the bus stop in front of the library. So I forced myself to walk around the cafe nearest to the library, and fortunately I met my friends at there. So I invite them to join me walk together to K11 instead for me.
It's a sad story. Any
Okay.
problem?
For my problem, I usually have clash time with this meeting. For example, last week I can't attend this meeting because I have field trip to the to Skin Chan, so I cannot attend this meeting, and that's the problem that I
Okay,
have to
so
face.
since my group members have actually told about the problems, our plans for next week are actually, since we have drew the comic, our next week we are going to plan our third and our last topic for final comic strip, and we actually hope the meeting next week also is being able to plan and being done successfully, and I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay.